Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to our channel. Kristen here. I can't wait to teach you guys how to draw this cute penguin. And if you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe and give us a big thumbs up if you like our video. Oh, and one last thing before we get started. Don't forget to send us pictures of your artwork. We would love to feature it in one of our upcoming videos. You can email us a picture of you holding it or tag us on Instagram. I'll even leave a link with our mailing address if you feel like mailing us a piece of your art. You might just see it in the next video. Okay, so the first shape that we're going to add on is the top of the penguin's head, but I thought it would be cute to give it a little curl on top. I don't know. You guys can decide if you want that or not. The next part we're going to add on is the inside of the penguin. So this would be where the white area is and where the facial features are. So we're going to give it a little dip, almost like it looks like two mountains. Don't forget guys, if you need to erase or start over, no big deal. There's no mistakes in art. This can be a little tricky. Don't get frustrated. Okay, so we're gonna leave that space open there because we're gonna add a scarf on in a little bit. We're gonna save that for a little later. Earmuff time. We're gonna make it look nice and fluffy, almost like a cloud. Let's try and make a similar shape on the other side now. Great job, guys. Now let's finish them up. Be sure to stick around till the end of the video. I have tons of cool, fun facts about penguins for you. I'm going to speed the video up really fast so you can see how I would color it in. Okay, let's draw this arched line on, and that will be the finishing touch for our earmuffs. Okay, pay close attention here. There's going to be a lot of different parts because we're going to add on our hot chocolate cup. We're first going to start with a long skinny oval and then make a double line. That will become the rim of our cup. We're going to bring it down on either side. A little bit skinnier at the bottom than up at the top. Great. Now let's add our circle logo. If you want, you can be fancy and make a Starbucks logo, but I think when I color, I'm just going to make it green. And let's add in a couple marshmallows. So the best way to draw a marshmallow is another oval. Bring it down on either side and round out the bottom. Great, guys. And of course we need some steam because it is hot cocoa. Wow, we're really starting to get there. Awesome. Let's keep going. Okay, let's go ahead and add on our other flipper and the bottom part of the penguin. Two little feet. And we're soon going to start drawing on all the facial features. Awesome! Let's go ahead and start adding on our eyes. So we want to make sure we have nice big circles. Well, not too big. About quarter size. Now two little highlights in each, and the bottommost part of our eye. We'll color that blue later. For our nose, we need simply just a rounded triangle pointing upside down, two cute little cheeks, and finally, our scarf. Let's draw the knot first. That way, you can then stripe all the way across. You got this, guys. It's not too difficult. adorable. But I'm going to speed this up real quick. Woohoo! We made it. It is now time for our fun facts and our sped up coloring session. Let's go. Told you it was going to be fast. Now let's hop into those fun facts. Did you know a group of penguins in the water is called a raft, but on land they're called a waddle? Did you know the black and white tuxedo look that most penguin species has is actually a clever camouflage called counter shading? The way it works is when swimming, the black on their back helps them blend in with the darkness of the ocean from predators viewing from above, while their white bellies help them blend in with the bright surface of the ocean when viewed by predators from below. Isn't that so interesting? That's similar to great white sharks as well. Contrary to many popular holiday cartoons, you'll never see penguins and polar bears together in the wild. That's because penguins live south of the equator, while polar bears live north of the equator in the Arctic. Did you know many male penguins gift female penguins with rocks in order to woo them? The ladies use these rocks to build a nest. Alright guys, I got one last fun fact for you. Did you know that penguin feet are adapted to walk long distances? Some species of penguins can march up to 60 miles across sea ice to get to their breeding grounds. Penguin feet are also adapted to help the birds steer while swimming. They use their feet like rudders, angling them to help control what direction they go. And just like that, guys, we are all done with this cutie penguin. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!